Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have changed my home security from Rogers to TELUS and I'm going to give you some overview. So this is the main security panel as you see it over here, and I have also taken a doorbell camera. Okay. Along with that, I have a few more items that I'm going to show you. Now the biggest difference I see here is like it has got a screen. If I want to disarm it, I just need to do this. Now it's going to ask for the code. I'm going to put the code in and when in like Rogers I did not like have any time limit when disarm, but probably that was the setting, probably it was there in Rogers, to not sure, but anyway layout is different. Now if I want to arm it,
Select ARM system type. ARM stay.
when I do arm stay it goes clearly, but again, like as I say, it could be different. One more thing, it has got a camera here, so whoever does this is actually being captured over here, and I can scroll and see. So when you scroll here it comes. I have removed everything, but this is called panel camera, but this is where things get captured. Now I can see live video cameras that's outside. Okay, so these things are here. You can always scroll. This is the alarm system here. If you have emergency, like for police, fire and auxiliary emergency panic, you can always do it from here. Now these are the sensors, door and window sensors that have been installed. Okay, and they are connected to the panel. This is the motion sensor that is installed. This is a fire alarm. It's battery operated and it is connected to their monitoring station. So if this goes on, they are going to be notified and then they are going to follow the protocols. And this is the flood sensor. It has a receiver down that if water touches, it's going to go off. I'm going to move this to basement soon. So I mean fire sensor, and this one is going to go into basement. So let me know guys what you feel about it. It was an offer. I got in just like 3183 for 3 years. That too without having any additional TELUS service. It was an offer price, so I got it. So let me know guys what you feel about it, and if you have any feedback for TELUS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.